This lesson, titled Using the Quick Access Toolbar, puts us in the workbook, Lesson 01, Introducing Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar is a way that you can access your favorite and most used commands regardless of the tab you're in. It's located all the way on the far left and the top. And you see here it comes with Save, Undo, and Redo by default. The Quick Access Toolbar also allows you to add other features. For instance, New, Open, Quick Print, Sort. All of those might be very useful for you. But the most useful thing of all about the Quick Access Toolbar, in my opinion, is that you can add any command you want to the Quick Access Toolbar. And then you can arrange them and delete them or change them if you want to. Let's say we like to change the font color often, but we are often in different tabs. Like here we are in Page Layout doing work, and we want to change the font color. Normally we would have to switch back and forth, getting back and forth so that you can get to your font color. So I click with my right mouse button, and the very first option is right here, Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see that it's now been added. It's the same command. It's available to me all the time. Regardless of the tab I go to, my font color command is always available. The Quick Access Toolbar also has its own extensive dialog box to allow you to make any changes you would like. To get there, you simply come down here to almost the very bottom where it says More Commands. This opens up a dialog box and by default moves you right to the Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can change the order of any of these. I simply click on one and use this down arrow, and so now my save is on the other end of the list. I'm going to put it back to the very first. We can also find a list of popular commands. Here is that list. We simply find the one we're interested in. I'm going to choose Open, and then I click over here on Add, and it's added to my list. If I don't want Open in this order, I can simply change its order. Now up above here where it says Popular Commands, there's a drop-down arrow, and you can actually choose from different categories, including all commands. You'll see here this is extremely extensive, hundreds of commands that are available. You can simply find the one you want in alphabetical order, and you can bring it over with Add. You probably noticed also we can remove any of these. If I decide that I do not want Open anymore, I can simply move it over, and it's back into this list and gone from this list, so it's no longer available in the Quick Access Toolbar. Before I click OK, I also want to show you that you can reset right here all the way back to where it was before you started adding anything. Now I'm going to click OK to close that dialog box. There's one more nice option, and that is you can move the Quick Access bar below the ribbon. I'm going to show you that here. The only downside is that below the ribbon takes up one extra row of space because it puts the Quick Access Toolbar closer to the data. They don't have to move their mouse as far to make those choices. I'm going to put it back to above the ribbon. So the Quick Access Toolbar, very powerful, very useful. Remember that you can add any command you need, so if you find yourself using that command often, I recommend adding it to the Quick Access Toolbar.